Whether it's web development, mobile app development, or even in some cases desktop application development, HTML, CSS, SAS, and Bootstrap are the foundation of becoming a smart front-end or full-stack developer. To cater to this, I have designed this course which will equip you with all the skills and tools required to become a master in all these technologies and much more from basic to expert level. We will learn and build projects from scratch. So if you are not familiar with HTML and CSS, don't worry, I have got it all covered. Even if you don't have any coding or technical background, or in fact, any sort of coding experience, this course is designed to be your first step in becoming a hands-on front-end developer. We will start from very basic fundamentals of HTML, like understanding the page structure of HTML and knowing all the various tags and elements used within HTML, and gradually build our way up step by step, where we include fundamentals of CSS, where we learn what is CSS designing, beautifying the page, etc. Also, we will learn the best and quickest ways of applying various styles on the elements and customize websites by learning advanced concepts like pseudo classes and elements, selectors, combinators, flexbox, grid, display property, media queries, transform and animation, etc., which are explained with the examples in the simplest of ways for you to clearly understand and grasp the concepts. I have covered all the topics and concepts along with numerous examples that you need to know for building layouts on a professional level. This course covers various assignments with practical implementations of building responsive web layouts and questions that will help you prepare for real-world interviews as well. An entire section is dedicated to small practical projects which will be updated from time to time. By the end of this entire course, I am confident that you will be a hands-on front-end developer ready to crack any interview and deploy modern responsive web layouts. So let's get started.